The full-day diet plan to lose belly fat. Let's kick things off with the most effective full-day diet plan for men and women to target belly fat. We'll walk you through how to prepare each meal in the sample diet plan for men and women. Full-day diet plan for men. 1. Breakfast. Oats with berries and chia seeds. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup almond milk, or any milk of choice, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, a handful of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, a drizzle of honey, optional. Steps to prepare. In a saucepan, combine the oats and almond milk. Heat on medium, stirring occasionally for 5 minutes until the oats are soft. Once cooked, remove from heat and stir in the chia seeds. Top with fresh mixed berries and drizzle with honey if desired. Serve warm and enjoy a fiber-packed, antioxidant-rich breakfast that keeps you full longer. 2. Lunch grilled chicken salad with avocado. Ingredients: 1 chicken breast, about 4 to 6 ounces, 1 tablespoon olive oil, mixed greens, spinach, arugula, kale, 1/2 avocado, sliced 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, halves 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, or any light dressing. Steps to prepare. Season the chicken breast with salt, pepper, and a little olive oil. Grill the chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side until fully cooked. Let it rest for a few minutes, then slice. In a large bowl, toss the mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and avocado slices. Add the grilled chicken on top and drizzle with balsamic vinegar or your favorite light dressing. Enjoy a protein-packed, nutrient-dense lunch that fuels muscle growth and fat burning. 3. Dinner salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Ingredients: 1 salmon fillet, about 4 to 6 ounces, 1/2 cup quinoa, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 lemon, optional. For garnish, salt and pepper to taste. Steps to prepare. Rinse the quinoa under cold water. Combine with 1 cup of water in a small saucepan and bring to a boil. Reduce heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. While the quinoa cooks, season the salmon with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Sear in a hot pan for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden and cooked through. Steam the broccoli by placing it in a steaming basket over boiling water for about 5 minutes or until tender. Plate the salmon, quinoa, and broccoli. Optionally, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the salmon for extra flavor. Enjoy a balanced dinner full of lean protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Full-day diet plan for women. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with almonds and honey. Ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup raw almonds, chopped 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey. Steps to prepare. Scoop the Greek yogurt into a bowl. Sprinkle the chopped almonds and chia seeds over the yogurt. Drizzle with honey for a touch of sweetness. Stir everything together and enjoy a protein-rich breakfast that's perfect for boosting metabolism and reducing cravings. Lunch. Spinach and tofu stir-fry with brown rice. Ingredients: 1/2 block firm tofu, cubed 2 cups fresh spinach, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 clove garlic, minced 1/2 cup cooked brown rice, salt, pepper, and soy sauce to taste. Steps to prepare. Heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the cubed tofu and cook until golden on all sides, about 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and spinach to the pan. Stir fry until the spinach wilts. Season with salt, pepper, and a splash of soy sauce for flavor. Serve the stir fry alongside a bowl of cooked brown rice for a healthy and filling lunch rich in plant-based protein and fiber. Dinner. Grilled shrimp with sweet potatoes and mixed vegetables. Ingredients: 1/2 pound shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 medium sweet potato, sliced into wedges, 1 cup mixed vegetables, zucchini, bell peppers, carrots, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt, pepper, and paprika for seasoning. Steps to prepare. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Toss the sweet potato wedges in olive oil, salt, pepper, and paprika. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast for 25 minutes or until tender. While the sweet potatoes roast, grill the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until pink and cooked through. Stir fry or steam the mixed vegetables in a pan with olive oil until tender. Serve the grilled shrimp with the roasted sweet potatoes and mixed vegetables for a dinner high in protein, vitamins, and antioxidants. This full-day diet plan provides balanced meals filled with nutrients, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber to help with weight loss, especially in targeting belly fat. The simple steps ensure viewers can easily prepare their meals at home. Diet and exercise plan for weight loss in 1 month. Welcome to Healthy Habits Haven. If you're looking to lose weight and burn belly fat in just 1 month, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the ultimate diet and exercise plan to help you shed those extra pounds, target stubborn belly fat, and achieve real results, right from the comfort of your home. Stick around to learn the best exercises for both beginners and gym lovers, plus a day-by-day diet plan tailored for men and women. Whether you're new to fitness or have been at it for a while, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. Understanding belly fat and weight loss. Belly fat is one of the most stubborn areas to lose weight, but the good news is that with the right diet and exercise plan, it's completely achievable. Belly fat can be linked to various health risks, so losing it not only helps you look great but also improves your overall health. Types of belly fat. Subcutaneous fat. This is the soft fat that lies just under the skin. It's visible and not as dangerous, but still difficult to get rid of. Visceral fat. This fat surrounds internal organs and is more harmful to health. It's linked to serious conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Why belly fat is stubborn. Belly fat is often the hardest to lose because the body stores fat in this region for energy reserves. Hormones like cortisol, the stress hormone, can also contribute to increased belly fat. Importance of combining diet and exercise. You can't reduce belly fat by just doing ab exercises. A combination of full body exercise and a healthy, calorie-controlled diet is crucial to lose fat overall, which will also reduce belly fat. Exercise boosts metabolism and fat burning, while a proper diet helps control calorie intake and reduce fat accumulation. Best exercises to lose belly fat at home. We'll cover simple but effective exercises you can do without any gym equipment, right at home. These exercises target your core and overall body fat to help reduce belly fat. Here are the steps for each exercise. Start in a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, lower your forearms to the ground. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and squeezing your glutes. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, focusing on maintaining good form. Avoid letting your hips sag or lifting them too high. Rest for 30 seconds, then repeat for 3 sets. The plank is a powerful full-body exercise that engages your core, arms, and legs. Focus on breathing steadily and keeping your core tight throughout the hold. 2. Bicycle crunches. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted off the ground, knees bent. As you bring your left knee toward your chest, twist your upper body so your right elbow moves toward your left knee. Extend your right leg out straight. Alternate sides, bringing your right knee toward your chest and your left elbow toward your right knee. Perform this movement in a controlled, cycling motion for 20 to 30 repetitions, 10 to 15 per side. Rest for 30 seconds, then repeat for 3 sets. Focus on fully extending your legs and using your abs to rotate your torso, not just your neck or arms, to maximize the effect on your obliques and lower belly. Start in a high plank position with your arms fully extended and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Quickly bring your right knee toward your chest, then switch, bringing your left knee toward your chest as you extend your right leg back. Continue alternating legs in a running motion, keeping your core engaged throughout the exercise. Perform for 30 to 45 seconds, then rest for 15 seconds and repeat for 3 to 4 sets. Keep your hips level and core tight while moving your legs quickly. This exercise is great for both core strengthening and calorie burning. Lie on your back with your legs extended and your arms by your sides or under your lower back for support. Lift your legs slightly off the ground, about 6 inches, and start alternating small kicks up and down, keeping your legs straight. Perform this movement for 30 to 45 seconds, keeping your core engaged and your lower back flat on the ground. Rest for 15 seconds, then repeat for 3 sets. Flutter kicks target the lower abs. Make sure to keep the movement controlled and avoid arching your lower back to prevent strain. 5. Burpees. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a squat position and place your hands on the ground in front of you. Jump your feet back into a plank position. Perform a push-up, then jump your feet back toward your hands and explode upward, jumping into the air with your arms reaching overhead. Land softly and immediately go back into the next repetition. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat for 3 sets. Burpees are a full-body, high-intensity exercise that boosts your heart rate and burns fat quickly. Focus on good form to avoid injury and maximize the fat-burning effect. The best time to exercise for belly fat loss. Wondering when's the best time to exercise? Studies show that working out in the morning, before breakfast, can help you burn more fat as your body taps into fat stores for energy. However, the best time to exercise is whenever you can consistently fit it into your day. Staying consistent and motivated. Losing belly fat and achieving your weight loss goals in 1 month requires consistency, but don't forget to celebrate small wins along the way. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and stay motivated. You've got this. Remember, the combination of a proper diet and targeted exercises is the key to losing belly fat fast. Start implementing these tips today, and in just 1 month, you'll see amazing results. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more health and fitness tips, and don't forget to share your progress in the comments below.